Hi, I'm Dr. Eileen O'Connor, and I'm here to tell you something about my background and also to talk about why science teachers are so important. I began in the 1960s getting a degree in biology and chemistry. When I graduated, I went out to a reservation in Montana and taught school as a fourth grade teacher, but I was also the science teacher for the fourth to eighth grade. When I came back to New York, I went back into the field of science and served as a water chemist, testing environmental samples and drinking water. By 1980, I had completed a master's in environmental science and engineering and then moved to IBM. IBM in the 80s was moving into science and it was looking for people like me. I started as a technical writer and then I moved into marketing and direct sales. And I had the good fortune when I was in sales of going around New York City, Long Island, and New Jersey, getting involved with pharmaceutical companies, food companies, hospitals, and even aerospace. I had Grumman as an account. By the end of the 80s, though, I moved out and took a buyout and went to upstate New York and began teaching chemistry and computer classes at the College of St. Rose. I then started my doctorate in '93, and you see me here today combining both science and technology. And let me see if I can show you this. Along the way, I also had a family with whoops, let's see if it comes into view, 4 children, and now I have 6 grandchildren. And that kind of leads me into why I think science teachers are so important. First of all, we need people to help set the background for invention, discovery, and scientific creativity. That's where science teachers come in. Also, even if your students don't become engineers or scientists, they're going to have to use and understand scientific information from things that are presented on radio and television and media to times when they want to research something like WebMD. So science will be an important background. And who else's class can have things like gross bugs, explosions, who can study impacts in things like car accidents, as physics teachers can, and where else can you get somebody who might someday start the new Mythbusters or maybe Man vs. Wild? So I'm looking forward to finding out how you're going to be the teacher who can engage and challenge this next generation. Thank you.